Hello guys, so today I will show you a new, actually it's not new, but it just came today. It's a Citizen Automatic 21 ULs watch, which has some type of problem, and my mission is to try to repair this watch. It looks really beautiful, so I'm not sure if what I will do with it after I am finished with it. I hope I can fix it because it really looks good. So here's the case back. When I noticed when it came, it wasn't really. It's not so. They did not screw it back so hard. My guess is that they open and just try to do something, and look at this. So here we have it. This is the first video, and let's take a closer look here. As we can see here, it's some type of dirt here around this one. Actually, at the first, when I watched this, it looked like chocolate. But I don't know if it's chocolate, but maybe. So one of the first things I used to do is to observe the watch, like I'm doing now. Just to do like this first, to check everything. Let's take a look here. No. Let's go with the yeah, I probably got some dirt inside this. Let's take a look here also. The balance, if you do like this, as you see, it moves, so that's good. You can always use a blower like this also. Can you see how the escapement won't move? I've seen this before, and it's I'm 98% sure that it has dirt inside it. Yeah, I can't move, so we will disassemble this watch and we will troubleshoot this, and hopefully we will get this watch to work again. And we will of course lubricate it. We will clean it, and then we will lubricate this one. And now we show you a couple of steps here, and I hope we can fix this watch. Stay tuned for more videos soon. Thank you.